Welcome back to our channel. In today's video, we are going to show you how to order and pay on Pandabuy. Let's begin. Now, the first thing you need to do is to log in using your credentials. If this is your first time here on Pandabuy, just click on the sign up button. Now, from here, all you're going to do is provide your email address, create a password, select the region that you are located, and by clicking on the sign up button, you're all set. Now, once you are here, Pandabuy is an online shopping platform that has gained a lot of popularity in recent years. It is an international e-commerce platform that allows customers from all over the world to purchase products from Chinese suppliers. In this situation now, we are going to select an item that we are going to order. Say, for example, we're going to be selecting this item. Right? Or if you're not happy with this product, you might want to go again in this search option, because from here you can browse through the available products, which is a lot. All right, you can use the search bar here to navigate. Say, for example, we're looking for shoes through categories, right? And then just find item that you're interested in purchasing. And as you can see, you have an option here. You can check the prices in this platform. Is it gonna be on 1688 or in Taobao, right? Now, for example, I'm looking for a product that I'm going to sell in the US, in my country. Maybe this one, a new summer men's canvas Korean style. It's a trendy board. Now click on it. Once you have found the product that you wanted to buy, click on the item to view its details. As you can see, it is a Pandabuy certified warehouse. The shipping fee is 3.5, right? Chinese dollars. And then it's a Pandabuy certified warehouse. But again, you'll have to click on the estimate international shipping fee later. But for now, just click on the sizes that you wanted. Say, for example, size 40, just one. And simply, you can go to add to cart. And when we do that, when we click add to cart, as you can see, there's a pop-up window that says this product does not accept return exchange according to the seller. Now, you have to be mindful of these notifications, because you have to remember their terms and conditions, because once you accepted that, there's no returning it back, right? Now, once you added this item to your cart, you might want to go here. And basically, this is the product details. All you're going to do is select the country you want to ship to, and the system we will check if there are some available routes to ship to your country. Just click on confirm. And for example, I'm going to be shipping it to my country, which is in the US. And there's a delivery types for your destination, which is going to be 36 right here. And just confirm some product information right here. Just making sure that it's all good. Now, if you read this line here, friendly reminder, after submitting the order and paid, please kindly wait for the seller to submit an international package order once stored in the warehouse. So you have to take note of that. And once you've agreed on the terms and conditions, click on it. And obviously, you need to click on submit order. Now, once you are here, obviously, this is the checkout process. And you have until these days right here, or your order will be canceled. And here's your balance. Now, you have option right here. You can top up using the Pandabuy platform, or you can use your PayPal account, your Stripe account, or credit or debit card. You can also use Klarna for this order. And there's a lot that you can use, from Union Pay to Alipay, so forth, and Alipay. And once you are sure of all the payment methods, all you're going to do is confirm payment. And again, this is going to be the handling fee and the exact amount. And once you click on confirm payment, you're good to go. Now, once you have done during the checkout process and has already paid the item, you might want to go to the icon right here, click on the order so you can track the status right here. This is going to be the order details, order number, and the create time. All right. Now, some sellers does not update the shipment status on a timely basis. In this situation, just get the tracking number from here and go to any platform that you can check the status of your order. Say, for example, Aftership. Just put in the tracking numbers here and automatically it will show the day-by-day status and the location of your item. Say, for example, it's currently being held in the storage or it's already in the custom clearance. You would know it from Aftership. All right. And again, if you have any questions, click on the chat option here. Just click on the contact your buyer agent. And any questions regarding about your order here on Pandabuy. Thank you so much for watching and we will see you in the next one.